Get ready, fellow car enthusiasts, as the curtains are about to be drawn on the much-awaited 2025 Kia Sportage Redesign. With leaked images and details surfacing, we're treated to an exciting preview of what Kia has in the pipeline for its beloved compact SUV, and it seems they're going all out with this one.
Before we delve further into our journey, we kindly invite you to subscribe to Autospector, your gateway to automotive excellence.
The first thing that grabs your attention is the Sportage's bold new look. Gone are the soft curves of the current model, replaced by a sharper, more aggressive stance. The leaked images reveal a futuristic tiger nose grille flanked by sleek, boomerang-shaped headlights. The silhouette boasts a fastback design with a raked windshield and a dynamic shoulder line, hinting at improved aerodynamics and a sportier driving experience. While details about the engines remain under wraps, Kia is known for its commitment to electrification. We can expect the 2025 Sportage to offer a range of powertrain options, including gasoline, hybrid, and possibly even a plug-in hybrid variant. This will cater to a wider range of drivers and their fuel preferences. Step inside, and the futuristic theme continues. The leaked images showcase a driver-centric cockpit dominated by a large curved touchscreen infotainment system. The physical buttons seem to be minimized, giving the interior a clean and clutter-free look. Rumors suggest the system will be packed with the latest connectivity features, voice commands, and driver assistance technologies. Kia has yet to officially announce the release date or pricing for the 2025 Sportage. However, considering the leaked information and industry trends, we can expect to see it hit dealerships sometime in late 2024 or early 2025. Pricing is likely to be slightly higher than the current model due to the upgraded design and technology, but Kia is known for offering competitive value, so it should remain an attractive option in its segment. The leaked images and information paint a very promising picture for the 2025 Kia Sportage. With its bold design, tech-filled interior, and diverse powertrain options, it seems poised to take the compact SUV segment by storm. While we wait for Kia's official reveal, one thing is clear: the 2025 Sportage is shaping up to be a game-changer. Stay tuned for more updates as they become available.